Walking tour experience at a Marina Beach. Marina Beach, the pride of Chennai, is one of the largest and longest beaches in the world. The moment you step onto this magnificent place, you are captivated by its grandeur and beauty. The cool sea breeze and the soft morning mist refresh your soul as you begin your journey. The early morning is the best time for a walking tour at Marina Beach. The first rays of the sun touch the ocean waves, making the water shimmer in golden hues. This sight is calming to the mind and soothing to the soul. Walking barefoot on the soft, cool sand feels like being embraced by nature. Every step feels connected to the earth, grounding you in the present moment. Natural beauty and vibrant atmosphere. As you walk along Marina Beach, you are surrounded by natural beauty. The sound of the waves crashing on the shore, the chirping of birds, and the gentle touch of the cool breeze create an ambience of serenity. The waves seem to call out to you as they gently kiss the shore. In the morning, you'll find a variety of people enjoying the beach in their own ways. Some are meditating and practicing yoga, while others are jogging or walking briskly. Children playing in the sand, flying kites, and laughing add a lively charm to the atmosphere. Local fishermen can be seen preparing their boats and nets for the day's work, offering a glimpse into their daily lives. Local culture and cuisine. Walking along Marina Beach, you also get a taste of the local culture. Numerous small stalls line the beach, offering South Indian delicacies like idli, dosa, and vada. You can also sip on fresh coconut water and enjoy local snacks that add a delicious touch to your walk. In the evening, the beach transforms into a glittering wonderland with lights and bustling street vendors. You can explore small shops selling handicrafts, decorative items, and souvenirs that reflect the local culture and artistry. Key attractions. As you stroll along the beach, you'll come across several historical and cultural landmarks. The Anna Memorial and MGR Memorial, located nearby, are iconic sites that showcase Tamil Nadu's rich political and cultural heritage. You can also visit the lighthouse, which offers a breathtaking panoramic view of the ocean and the entire beach. The sight from the top is mesmerizing and worth every step of the climb. A deeply moving experience. Walking at Marina Beach is not just a simple stroll, it's a soulful journey. The tranquil environment fills you with peace and calm. The vastness of the ocean reminds you of the deeper meanings of life, encouraging introspection and mindfulness. It's a place where you can connect with nature and find solace within yourself. Conclusion. Walking tour at Marina Beach is an experience that words can hardly capture. It's a place where you can witness the beauty of nature, immerse yourself in the local culture, and find inner peace. Whether you walk in the quietude of the morning or enjoy the lively atmosphere at night, every moment spent here becomes a cherished memory. If you ever visit Chennai, don't miss the chance to experience Marina Beach. It will not only make your trip unforgettable, but also leave you with a sense of tranquility and appreciation for life's simple joys.